Mama eating from the bucket. She waits for her food every day. She wants to eat antler magnet out of the bucket. She's definitely a special girl. The babies are hiding somewhere, as one of them was out just a minute ago. They went running into the woods. But I believe this little group of twins, they getting pretty friendly with me, so thinking next year, I'm hoping next year I could maybe pet a deer. I don't know. Never thought that I'd be this close to these deer. But it seems like they kind of accept me. They see me daily, and they're not afraid of me. They trust me. And acorns are dropping right now, but these gals prefer soybean, peanuts, and corn mixture. I kind of don't blame them. Fall is here today, so seasons are about to change.